Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at how we can use Moviemaker to edit our cooking videos. What I've done so far is I filmed my video and then I used my phone, I plugged in my phone to my computer and then dragged the video clip onto my desktop. You could also easily take your video by recording with your laptop and then it's already on the laptop. That might be a little easier. Okay, so I'll start by searching for the program Moviemaker. There it is. And the first thing we're going to do is take that video clip that I've got on my desktop and drag it into the project area here. This can take a while. It needs to prepare your file first. I'm going to pause and go grab a snack, I think. Okay, my video is done processing. I'm ready to do some editing here. The first thing that might be a problem for anyone who uses their phone is that it might be a vertical video here. And when we're on computers, we want our videos to be sideways so they fill the whole frame of the screen. This is a really quick fix in Moviemaker. I just need to go to the home menu here, make sure that my video is selected out here, and then I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Boom, fixed, done. Now my video is about 8 minutes long right now. It's just me slowly chopping vegetables, and it's really boring, so I need to cut out a lot of stuff here. There's this little line here, and you can drag it along the video to sort of scrub what you're seeing here. So I kind of like this shot where all the ingredients are laid out here. So I might stop right there, and I'm going to right-click on the line and go split. So now I've split this into two video clips, one before the line and one after. I'm going to keep going, and here I am cutting a zucchini. And if I keep going along there, maybe I want to show just a little bit of this. So I'll right click here and go split. And I'll take out this big section in between. I'm going to right click on it, remove. And so now I've got, if I play this, shows me putting out the ingredients here. And then it's going to just kind of cut to where I'm cutting this zucchini. And I think I will split it there again and go to the point where I'm done with that zucchini. So maybe right about here where I'm grabbing the peppers. Go split again. Right click on this part I don't want, choose remove. And now I've got some quicker cuts in here. If I play this again, you'll see. And now we need to slice them up. There I am cutting the zucchini for a second. People can see. Okay, now it's all cut and I'm grabbing the peppers. So I'm probably just going to keep making these cuts. I've already brought my video down by a whole minute here. It was 8 minutes, now I'm down to about 7 minutes. I'm just going to keep cutting until I just get the important parts. Let's look at what else we can do though. You might have talked during your video, you might not have talked during your video. You might want to add some narration later. So let's say I want to narrate that zucchini cut part here. I could go to the start of it here with the line and click on this record narration button. And then I'll click record and I'll record what I want to have it say during that part. Cut the zucchini in half lengthwise and then cut it into small half circles crosswise. I'll hit stop. It'll actually ask you to save this narration file as its own thing. That's fine. but you'll see this little audio track has appeared now. And if I play my video, I'll hear myself talking over that part. You might not want to talk over your video. Instead, you might want to have a caption. So you can click that button and type out what you'd like to say. So maybe I want to say gather ingredients. And I can adjust how long or where this goes here. Right here I can say how long I want that to last. So right now it's lasting about 7 seconds. I don't want it to be that long, maybe 2 seconds. Gather ingredients, and then maybe down here I'll start listing those ingredients. So we'll add another caption. I should look up how to spell zucchini. Maybe that's right. I'll have that one appear for 2 seconds. So if I start playing my video there, you'll see these captions go by fairly quickly. So it says gather ingredients, and then it says zucchini. Cool. Sometimes you might want a title card, like something that takes up the whole screen with words, and you can click on title up here. I can say how to cook pasta. And again, we can set the duration of that. Let's say we want it to be 2 seconds. Play the clip, how to cook pasta. Ooh, look at that nice zoom in effect. We could make this shorter too. That's no problem. We could cut that and delete a piece. So a lot of this is just going to be deciding how you want to display information, where you want to make your cuts. Watch the next video to see how to finish this one off.